Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to day 2 here in London. It is 6 a.m. and we're heading to somewhere very, very special today. So yesterday was impressive, but today will easily surpass that. Welcome to Wimbledon. Now we are just waiting for our taxi. Okay guys, you never believe where we are right now. We've had some cool views on the channel, but this tops it all. We have the Koenigsegg GT, a cool classic black, but we also have the yellow one. We just casually have two. And so we are here over at the Octane collection. I'm not a professional, so I don't know any kind of names of these cars, but they all look so amazing. We've got BMWs, Audis, Ferraris, Porsches, Ferraris and all the Porsches. And over there is just a sneaky Koenigsegg. And here we have a full carbon fiber Koenigsegg CCXR, just like we saw in Marbella, Puerto Banus. Yeah, I have no words for that. That's just insane. So because we're here and we have the opportunity, we are not gonna leave it just here. How do you open this one? Be really careful with the doors. Oh man, these seats are amazing. We've got loads and loads of carbon fiber options over here. Carbon fiber. Damn. This car got 15,508 miles. You're pretty low on fuel. Damn. Soft top. Yeah, I mean, this is not bad. This is not bad. I'm just at a loss for what. I don't know what to say right now. Just appreciate Porsche's Koenigsegg GT. This is not my best angle. Oh, careful. So those supercars in London were pretty nice, but these cars have loads and loads of hypercars. And some guy just pulled up in his McLaren. Like, I need to have like a 600 LT, which looks pretty insane. We actually had a ride in one of those in the Netherlands when we drove the Huracan Evo Spider. And man, this thing is insane. It is quickly, they stick to the ground, they handle well, and they are fast as hell. I mean, there's something about those English number plates. Yeah, and you see M600LTM. That's just iconic. Got the red brakes, black wheels. This is just an insane spec. Also, hey. You just get speechless when you come in. Look at all those cars. Well, we have all those cars, but I mean, we have biscuits all over the place. I think we'll take this one over here. I think it's pretty safe to say that our trip to London is already very nice. We can't complain about any of the cars we've seen here. I really hope to spot a Bugatti or a Senna in London. But I think for now, I'm fine. Look at my view. I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. Now we're going to have a startup, cold startup sound on the Koenigsegg CCXR. Full carbon fiber CCXR. It's idling a little bit. You just need to hear that sound. I wish everyone could be here to see this beautiful creation of Koenigsegg. Oh man. So this car is the only car which has a steering wheel on the right side. The other three are on the left side. And it's got a 1018 horsepower. There are only 4 of these in the entire world, and well, that sounds pretty nice. The McLaren 600 LT is becoming one of my favorites right now. These go for around 200,000 euros. I mean, man, look at that spaceship. I'm just in love with all those lines. All those options, no big wing, and just casual the Koenigsegg CCXR over here. And there he goes, back inside. And I think we can end up today's video right here. We will go back to London for another car spotting day, but otherwise those videos will be too long. I mean, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog here. Bye!